syntax coding. In the previous video, we have learned what is an array list and how to declare an array list, how to add elements inside the array list. So we had declared the array list city name with data type string, and we have added the elements inside this array list, and we have printed a particular array list. We have also learned one important topic while comparing the collections with the array, that array can store a data type of single type, means homogeneous data type only, but the collections can store the heterogeneous data type, means it can store the values of different data type also. But here we have stored only a single data type, right? Because we have provided a data type that this particular array list will contain the elements of string type, and we want to store the values of different data type inside the array list, then no need to provide the data type here. So I will remove this data type here, string, and then no need to provide here as well, right? And now instead of providing just the string values, I can provide the data type of any type here. Let's say instead of string here, I will provide integer value. Let's say integer value is 10. So still I'm not getting any error. Also, I can store the values of char data type. Let's say char a, and another one is, let's say duplicate one. So let's say duplicate is a. So these are three different data types that are being stored inside this particular array list. And if I try to print this array list now, let's run this code. So see, still we are getting the output Delhi 10 AA. The values are stored as per the insertion order, and the duplication is also allowed here as this is array list, and this array list does not contain values of a single data type. It contains the different values of different data types. So in this way, when you want to have the array list that should store different data type values, then this is the syntax to declare that particular array list. So that's it in this video. We will cover another topics in next video. Thank you for watching.